lean on the rock. When my heart is overwhelmed, lead me to the rock that is higher than I. Psalm chapter 61 verse 2. When you become a Christian, it doesn't mean that you will live on a perpetual high. The psalmist David went down to the very depths, and so did the Apostle Paul. But in the midst of all circumstances, God's grace, peace, and joy are there. The tears will still come, the pressures will be felt, and so will the temptations. But there is a new dimension, a new direction, and a new power in life to face the circumstances in which you live. Prayer for the day. David and Paul have given me the example of trusting you, Lord, even in the excruciating valleys of life. Like them, I praise you,